Have you ever looked at the sky during sunset and wondered why it transforms into a mesmerizing canvas of red, orange, and pink hues? It's a question as old as time itself, inspiring poets, scientists, and dreamers alike. But the answer lies in the fascinating world of physics and our atmosphere. In today's video, we're diving deep into the science of sunsets, the role of light, and why the sky turns red when the day ends. To understand why the sky turns red, we need to first talk about light. Light from the sun appears white to our eyes, but it's actually a combination of all the colors of the rainbow. This was first discovered by Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century. White light can be split into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, each with a different wavelength. The shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, are scattered more easily, while the longer wavelengths, like red and orange, are less scattered. Now let's bring in the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is made up of gases, water vapor, and tiny particles. When sunlight enters the atmosphere, it interacts with these particles. During the day, when the sun is high in the sky, blue light is scattered in all directions, making the sky appear blue. But during sunset, the sun is near the horizon, and its light has to travel through a thicker layer of the atmosphere. By the time the light reaches your eyes, most of the blue and shorter wavelengths are scattered out, leaving behind the longer wavelengths, red, orange, and pink. So, why does the sky sometimes look more red or orange than usual? This happens because of additional particles in the atmosphere. For instance, after volcanic eruptions or during wildfires, the air is filled with ash and dust, which scatter light differently. Pollution and humidity also play a role. The more particles in the air, the more intense the red hues during sunset. Essentially, the atmosphere becomes a natural filter, letting the warm colors dominate. Throughout history, sunsets have carried deep cultural and emotional significance. In many cultures, the red sky at sunset has been considered a sign of good weather. Poets and artists have captured the beauty of red skies to symbolize endings, new beginnings, or even hope. And of course, there's the old saying, red sky at night, sailor's delight, red sky in the morning, sailor's warning. But at its core, sunsets remind us of the beautiful interplay between science and nature. The next time you watch a sunset, take a moment to appreciate the science and beauty behind it. For the best views, find a spot with a clear view of the horizon, away from city lights. Watch how the colors transition from yellow to deep red and purple as the sun dips below the horizon. And remember, every sunset is unique because it depends on the specific conditions of the atmosphere that day. Sunsets are one of nature's most breathtaking phenomena, blending physics and beauty in perfect harmony. Now that you know why the sky turns red at sunset, you'll never see it the same way again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating answers to the questions you've always wondered about.